Kyoto. What the heck is up? Hey. What the heck you doing here? What the heck are you? I'm just got stuck in here for no reason. Cool. We got stuck in here. Of my got eaten by this stupid thing. So yeah, how do we get out? Have no idea. Then what the heck do you know who the heck you're talking about? Wait a second. I know who did this. You did it. It was you! Aha! No. I did not eat us. Wait, what the fuck was that? Ah! I meant the bomb! Why? Oh no, cut your freaking. Yeah, there. I am now evil, yes. And how this will you? Oh god, what do you do? Gonna eat you up. Run! I'm free! Oh, you're dead!